can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Over the last 1 month, we've seen Solana rally up by 16%. Over the last 1 year, Solana is up 65%. Currently trading above $215 with a market cap of over $116 billion. Good times are turning back to the altcoin market. Solana is one of the biggest altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. How high can it go in the coming days and coming weeks? We look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. The all-time high sits around $297. Can we break to as high as $400? Maybe $1,000. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. Altcoin season is around the corner. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. How will that affect the price of Solana against Ethereum? How will that affect Solana's market cap? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. With Solana trading above $215, it means its market cap has rallied above $116 billion. With its fully diluted market cap sitting at around $131 billion. The last 24 hours has seen a 100% increase in 24-hour trading volume. We've seen Solana's trading volume get to as high as $10.1 billion. In the previous video, we talked about key levels to watch out for Solana over the coming days and coming weeks. The $204 level was a critical region. Right now, it feels like Solana is leaving that level and we're heading straight for all-time highs. The all-time highs for Solana came in on the 20th of January 2025 when we saw Donald Trump launching his meme coin, when we saw Solana setting new all-time highs. And right now, for us to get there from where we're currently trading, from the $215 level, which is Solana pull a 36% pump to the upside. Historically, all coins can pump aggressively. A 36% pump to the upside is nothing to write home about. That can happen in 2 days, 3 days. It can even happen overnight in the cryptocurrency market. But then market participants are getting bullish at the top. The higher we go, the more they get bullish. The higher we go, the more we start hearing outrageous price predictions. The price prediction for Solana to $600, Solana to $500, Solana to $1,000, and I even had somebody talking about Solana could get to $2,000 before the end of the cycle. I don't think we can pump that high. We have been pumping for a very long time. When I mean we have been pumping, I mean Solana has gotten to as low as $8. That was in 2022, and right now it's trading above $200. That's over 2,200% from the bottom of the bear market. We see Solana getting to all-time highs. Means Solana would have been up over 3,300%. There's no idea, there's no reason to say why Solana can continue pumping to higher prices. But remember, guys, the higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the more we'll see a lot of market participants getting very, very greedy. We're playing a simple game here, and that simple game is to buy low and to sell high, to buy when there's fear and sell when greed returns to the cryptocurrency market. Now, there's another school of thought that says Solana has been going through distribution over the last few years. So smart players that bought Solana deep down in Goblin Town, deep in the bear market, right now they are offloading their Solana at sky-high prices. They are offloading their Solana to retail. Retail is holding, thinking, you know what? Solana will continue pumping to the moon in future. All the transactions on meme coin market are happening on the Solana blockchain, yada, yada, yada. Guys, the rule of the game is simple. Buy when there's fear in the market, sell when there's greed in the market. Buy when the prices are low, sell when the prices are high. And if you just want to make money long term, you have to follow those two simple rules. And if you're one of those smart market participants that was accumulating Solana below $30, you believed in the process, you trusted the process, right now you can be selling your Solana for some sweet profit. In the bear market, a lot of market participants regret not selling the top. Take a look at what happened in 2021. Solana was launched, started pumping to higher prices. Yes, there was a lot of difficulties along the way. There's a lot of 80% plus pullbacks, but then we saw Solana again pumping, another pullback. And by the time it pumped in November of 2021, when it was trading above $250, the consensus was that we're going to all-time highs. There's no reason why Solana shouldn't trade at $500, even though the technical indicators were telling us there was some bearish divergence. Price was going to new highs. The indicators were setting higher lows. That was a warning sign. Eventually, we saw Solana topping at $250 after it rallied up by more than 46,000%, which meant just $1,000 invested in Solana then, when it was launched, would have returned more than $465,000. So the altcoin market is very volatile. It can make you wealthy in a twinkle of an eye, but then all those wealth can evaporate in front of your eyes. That's what happened for Solana holders in the bear market. We saw so many scandals, so many news, Sam Bankman-Fried, yada yada yada. But eventually, the bear market is the bear market. 90% dump in the cryptocurrency market is normal. Even Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, had a 90+% dump in its first full crypto bear market. Bitcoin has had its own 90+% dump. So 90% dump in the cryptocurrency market is nothing to write home about. That's just a regular bear market. Solana had to dump by more than 97% before we started this pump that we are on. We started this pump, and this pump happened in two sections. First, we saw Solana pumping aggressively, getting to as high as $200. It all took just 488 days from the bottom of the bear market to Solana getting to $208. That's a 2,500% move to the upside, but something fundamentally has changed since then. Solana has struggled. Yes, we have been trading around that $200 level, but I've seen Solana get to as low as $97. That's 52% decline from the $215 level. And we've also seen it get to all-time highs, getting to as high as $297, which is around a 45% pump to the upside. But if you look out and if you look in and zoom out, you will see that Solana has just been consolidating for over 532 days. And this consolidation can either go both ways. You can be gearing up for a big pump that will see Solana getting to as high as $600. I'll have egg on my face. I will agree I was wrong. But guys, with the increase in volume we are seeing in Solana, I will not be shocked if this is the distribution going on and Solana is gearing up for a big dump to Goblin Town. Solana is gearing up for one of those declines that might see it head back below $20, maybe even as low as $10 in the nearest future. But let me not all be doom and gloom. Let's be excited right now. Things are bullish in the market. Solana is trading around $215. We'll be expecting it to continue pumping in the coming days and coming weeks. But again, remember, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. If you want to buy some Solana for yourself, you can get some Sol on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, OKX, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana right there. Altcoin season is around the corner, guys. Altcoin season historically has been the end of a market cycle. If you don't know what altcoin season is, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is an altcoin season. And altcoins right now are giving Bitcoin a run for their money. You can see that on the daily and a weekly time frame, altcoins are having a tier, double-digit gains across the board, triple-digit gains across the board. And historically, altcoin season, the party is over. So over the next few days and the next few weeks, I believe we'll be heading towards altcoin season. I believe we'll see Bitcoin dominance continue its decline. These two factors coming together has always told us the market cycle is coming to an end. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. We're waiting for the last confirmation when sentiment in the market heads towards greed. That's a telltale sign to run for the hills. Earlier in the video, I told you the game we're playing is to buy low, sell high. Buy when there's fear and sell when there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. And I believe over the next few days, we're going to see a lot of greed in the market. We're going to see altcoin season. We're going to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. And we're also going to see Solana outperforming Ethereum. Solana was outperforming Ethereum through the bear market bottom, but finally found the top on the 14th of April 2025 after outperforming Ethereum for more than 840 days after rallying by more than 1,100%. But since Solana lose some value against Ethereum, I'll expect it to still go up. That's gain some value against Ethereum, but eventually it will start a huge decline to Goblin Town. Historically, anytime Solana starts dumping to Goblin Town against Ethereum, the market is getting bearish. I don't think this time is different. Even though Solana's market cap might get to new all-time highs, the market cap sits at $116 billion in January. We saw the market cap getting to as high as $143 billion from where we're currently trading. So that will need to pump by 25% to get to that $140 billion level in market cap valuation. Maybe we'll get to as high as $160 billion. Maybe even in a very bullish market cycle, we get to as high as $200 billion. That's still less than 100% from where we're currently trading, and that's where you see a lot of market participants going all in, saying this time is different. Remember, guys, this time is never ever different. What you sow, you shall reap. If you buy high, you end up selling low. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Solana going in the coming days and the coming weeks? At what price will you be selling for some sweet profit? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.